Okay, so for the first question, based on the question asked me to calculate the rate increase of the area of the topping of the cubicle cake when the length increased at the rate of 0.4 centimeter cube per second. Okay, so for the formula, area is equal to x times by 1 over 4x, which is, we simplify, is equal to 1 over 4 x square. And then when we differentiate, dA over dx is equal to 1 over 2x. Also based on the question, dx over dt is equal to 0.4. And then dA over dt is equal to dA over dx times by dx over dt, which when we insert the number, we will get the answer is equal to 5.6 centimeter square over second. And then also based on the question, hence determine the rate of increase of the area for the new cubicle cake topping, which is equal to area original equal to 28 times by 1 over 4 times 28, which is equal to 196 centimeter square, which is the area new is equal to 196 plus 56, 5.6, which is equal to 201.6. And then based on the question, the cost of area is equal to, first we need to search the delta x, which is 28.005 minus by the original x, which is 28. The delta x is equal to 0.005, and then we can calculate the area new, which is equal to area original plus dA over dx times by delta x, which when we insert the number, we will get 196.07. And then we can look at the question. Based on the question, is given that 30 ringgit per centimeter cube. Thus, we can calculate the cost by timing 196.07 times by 3%, which is equal to 58 ringgit and 82 cents. Okay, for the next question, A.2. So the question is to find the corresponding change of the volume of the cubicle cake if the length of the cubicle cake increased by 0.008 centimeter. Okay, so first of all, we get the volume formula, which is equal to x times by 1 over 4x times by 5, which is simplified equal to 5 over 8x square. And then we differentiate, we get 5 over 2x. And then we can calculate the new one, which is equal to old volume plus delta V, which is equal to 5 over 4. And then we insert the x, which is 28, and then we get the new volume, which is 980.56 centimeter cube. And then based on the question also, hence determine the price of the new cubicle cake. Okay, for the cost, cost is equal to delta x. Delta x is equal to 0.08. And then we continue dv over dx times by delta x, which is when we insert the x, which is 28, we get 0.56. So we can calculate the cost, which is 980.56 times by 50 cents, which is 490 ringgit and 28 cents. That's all for question A.1, A.2.
Okay, I will to explain about question B Roman 1 and B Roman 2. This is the picture for the problem for question B Roman 1. When radius of base for cylindrical container is half of length square pyramid x is 12 cm. The question is asked about how to calculate the rate of increase of the level of the water in the cylindrical container, which is called height. Given dV over dt is 1000 cube per second, which is rate of volume per time. So we create the equation dV over dt equal dV over dH multiply dH over dt. To find dV over dH, we use formula for cylinder, which is V equal pi r square h and different volume per height if to get pi r square. Then substitute the volume of R 6 cm to get 36 pi. Next, substitute into the equation to final dH over dt. This answer is 8.84 cm per second. Okay, for question B Roman 2, when the equation set hence, so the answer must be related in question Roman 1. The question given volume of water 792 cube and analyst does it affect water level when poured into square base pyramid container. Using volume square pyramid 1 over 3 pi r square h, substitute volume V 792 cube, volume of R 12 cm into equation to get H 16.5 cm. From the volume equation of cylindrical, V equal pi r square H, substitute volume for volume 792 cube and reduce 6 cm to get H. So H of water of cylinder is 7 cm when is less than height of water level of pyramid when is 16.5 cm.
Okey, for the soalan untuk soalan C, dia bagi soalan figure 3 show conical head with base radius at cm and a slant head of 2 at cm. Okey, dia bagi gambar cone. Lepas tu dia bagi nilai dia 2 at cm dengan at cm. Okey, dia minta calculate the approximate increase in the total surface area of the conical head when its base radius increase from 20 cm to 20.50 cm. Determine how much the conical head cost if the price of the paper is 0.05 per cm kuasa 2. Okey, untuk jawapan dia, delta X sama dengan 12.15 tadi tu, tolak 12. Okey, dapat jawapan 0.15. Okey, untuk formula A all, pi dalam kurungan X dalam kurungan 2X tambah pi dalam kurungan X kuasa 2. Okey, untuk dapat dia, kita differentiate dia apa semua. dapat pi 2x kuasa 2 tambah pi x kuasa 2. Okey, untuk dA per dx sama dengan 4x pi tambah 2x pi. Okey, lepas tu 4 darab dengan 12, darab pula dengan 22/7 tu. 22/7 tu datang daripada pi. Okey, lepas tu tambah 2 dalam kurungan 12 dalam kurungan 22/7. Okey, dapat jawapan 1584 bahagi 7. Okey, untuk AOL tadi 22/7 tu dalam kurungan dia darab dengan dalam kurungan 2 dalam kurungan lagi 12 kuasa 2. Okey, lepas tu tambah 22/7 darab 12 kuasa 2. Dapat jawapan 9504 bahagi 7. Okey, lepas tu untuk cari A new dia, formula dia AOL tambah dalam kurungan dA per dx darab delta x. Okey, dapat jawapan untuk AOL tadi 9504 bahagi 7. Lepas tu tambah dengan yang dalam kurungan tadi 1584 bahagi 7 untuk dA per dx, darab pula dengan 0.15 untuk delta x. Okey, dapat jawapan 1391.657. Okey, untuk dapatkan kos untuk kon tu 1391.657 tu kita darab dengan RM 0.05. Okey, dapat jawapan RM RM69.58.
Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you so much for watching.